Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss that mains January month 2020 questions in indefinite integration. Already I discussed 2019 questions in indefinite integration. Now I am going to start the first question. See the question: integration cos x dx divided by sine cube x into 1 plus sine power 6x whole power 2 by 3, that is equal to f of x into 1 plus sine power 6x whole power 1 by 3 plus c. Then find the value of lambda f of pi by 3. Now see that I am going to take, let sine x is equal to t, derivative of sine x cos x dx, that is equal to dt. Substitute in the question: integration dt divided by t cube 1 plus t power 6 whole power 2 by 3. This model already we are done in 2019 questions. So this model they are giving repeatedly. How to do? See, denominator. Take t power 6 common. T power 6 whole power 2 by 3, that is t power 4. So already outside t cube is there, overall t power 7 into 1 by t power 6 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3. Now here again let 1 by t power 6 means that is t power minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to, take the v, apply the differentiation, minus 6 into t power minus 7 dt, that is equal to dv. 1 by t power 7 dt, that is equal to minus dv divided by 6. Okay, now substitute in the question, that is equal to integration 1 divided by v power 2 by 3 into minus dv by 6 minus 1 by 6 v power 1 by v power 2 by 3, that is v power minus 2 by 3. Apply the integration, v power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 2 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So minus 2 by 3 plus 1, that is minus, 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Overall we get minus 1 by 2 into v power 1 by 3 plus c. What is v? T power minus 6 plus 1. Substitute here, minus 1 by 2 into v means 1 by t power 6 plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 plus c. Now see here calculation, denominator t power 6 take outside, it will come minus 1 by t square, remaining 1 plus t power 6 whole power 1 by 3 plus c. What is t? Sin x. Substitute here, minus 1 by sine square x into 1 plus sine power 6x whole power 1 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. By comparing right hand side value, and this is, we get f of x is equal to minus 1 by sine square 6. That means minus 1 by sine square x, that is cosecant square x. But they are asking f of pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. What is cosecant square x? Cosecant 60 whole square. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Cosecant 60 means 2 by root 3 whole square. Whole square. Now, and see the question here, what they are given? 1 by lambda given. So, 1 by lambda means how much? 1 by 3. That means lambda value is 3. So they are asking lambda into f of pi by 3, that is equal to lambda means 3 into f of pi by 3 minus 4 by 4 by 3. 3 cancel. We get answer minus 4. This is the answer. I think this is a type of question. Next, I am going to second question. See the second question, what they are given. Find integration of dx by x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7 into x plus 4 whole power 8 by 7. How to do this? But see the question, see the options. X minus 3 divided by x plus 4 is there. Just the fourth option is x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Now, first integration dx divided by here x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7 is there. So I am going to divide x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 into x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 and x plus 4 8 by 7 already is there. 8 by 7. This is x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 we can write. That is sent to numerator. We get x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole power minus 6 divided by 7 into dx divided by here x plus 4, this is not 8, sorry, x plus 4, bases are equal, power should be added. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 by 7, that is 4, x plus 4 whole square, 14 by 7, that is 2. Okay, now here I am going to take, let x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 divided by x plus 4, that is equal to t. Apply that differentiation on both sides. X plus 4 whole square into x plus 4 is constant, x minus 3 derivative is 1 minus x minus 3 is constant into x plus 4 derivative is 1 into dx, that is equal to dt. Now calculate this. Denominator is x plus 4 whole square. Then what about numerator? X minus x, it is going to cancel. 4 minus of minus 3 plus 7. 7 send right hand side, that is equal to dt by 7. Now substitute here, integration t power minus 6 by 7 into dx by x plus 4 whole square means, that is dt by 7. Apply the integration. T power minus 6 by 7 integration. 1 by 7 into t power minus 6 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by minus 6 by 7 plus 1 plus c. Minus 6 by 7 plus 1 means that is 1 by 7. So these two are going to cancel. Now we get t power 1 by 7 plus c. Here dt by 7 already cancelled, right? Now what is t? T means x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole power 1 by 7 plus c. Now see the options. Which option is correct? I think first option is correct. This is also easy question, but you want to get the thought x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 denominator multiply and divide. Then you will get answer easily. Okay. Next, I'm going to third question. See this question. What they are given? Integration d theta divided by cos squared theta into secant 2 theta plus tan 2 theta, that is equal to lambda tan theta plus 2 log f of x plus c. Then ordered pair lambda comma f of x is. Now, how to do this? Denominator cos squared theta sin numerator secant squared theta divided by secant 2 theta. Secant 2 theta formula, that is convert into cos 1 by cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan squared theta by 1 plus tan squared theta. Now here we get secant 2 theta formula 1 plus tan squared theta by 1 minus tan squared theta plus tan 2 theta formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan squared theta into d theta, that is equal to integration. Take LCM in denominator, it is going to numerator. We get 1 minus tan squared theta into secant squared theta d theta divided by 1 plus tan squared theta plus 2 tan theta, that is 1 plus tan theta whole square. Right. After that, let tan theta is equal to t. Derivative of tan theta, secant square theta d theta, that is equal to dt. So substitute here, integration 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t whole square dt. Numerator, observe that is in the form of a square minus b square, right? A plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus t is going to cancel. Remaining is 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t dt. This is. Now how to do that? Numerator, adding 1, subtracting 1. Adding 1 means here we get 2. Subtracting 1 means minus 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t dt. So split that, 2 into integration 1 by 1 plus t minus, take minus common, you will get 1 plus t. 1 plus t, 1 plus t cancel. Integration 1 dt. Here also dt. Now 2 integration 1 by 1 plus t dt, that is log of 1 plus t minus integration 1 dt minus t plus c. What is t? T means tan theta, 2 log 1 plus tan theta minus tan theta plus c. So up to here we go. See the question, what they are given. lambda into tan theta. Here tan theta coefficient is -1. So lambda value is -1 and 2 log f of x. 2 log f of x. So we can expect f of x value is 1 plus tan theta. So finally we got answer. What they are asking? Ordered pair lambda comma f of x, that is -1 comma 1 plus tan theta. This is the answer. Okay, observe the options. Which option is correct? -1 comma 1 plus tan theta. Third option is correct. Students, all of you understood now? In January 2020 given. So these only 3 problems given in 6 sessions. Okay, I think all of you understood now. Still now, who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on like button. Thank you.